Hello, welcome back to the good stuff we've been doing. Today we will discuss the theory of distribution. And when I mean distribution, it involves clearing out the brackets. Say, suppose we have to work out a plus b multiplying x plus y. Here, the correct approach is to use a multiply by x plus y, then we add it with b multiplying by x plus y as well, where we will then have ax plus ay plus then bx plus by. So here we have expanded this product out to this form. Next, suppose that we wish to multiply out, let's say, a plus b plus c, and then I have to multiply with x plus y plus z. Just as before, a we go with x plus y plus z, and then b we go with x plus y plus x plus y plus z, and then c would go with x plus y plus z as well. Everything will boil down to ax plus ay plus az plus bx plus by plus bz, and then we'll have cx plus cy plus cz. Now, the general theory of this is that whenever we are going to perform this multiplication, what we do is that, let's say we are asked to multiply out x plus y, say a plus b multiplying x plus y. The correct thing to do is to pick one term from this bracket. Let's say you pick one term from the first bracket here. We can pick a, then you pick one term for the other bracket here, and you can pick x, and then you form the product, you get ax. You see, add it. Now you first pick one term, you may pick a. This time around you have to pick something different. Say you pick y, then you will get ay. Then you pick one term here, you may pick b, then you pick another term here, say y, then you get by this time around here, so by. Then you may see pick b from here and pick s to get bx. So it's more like picking a term here, one term from this bracket and one term from this bracket, and taking the product. The only rule that applies that we don't pick more than one term from one bracket. Say for the second part here, this a, b, c and this x, y, z, the way we find the product that you pick one term from the first one here, we may get a, then we have to pick another term from this second bracket here. It may be x, it may be y, and then we form the product with a and x, and then a and y. So after we pick one term, we form the partial product of this term with this every term here. So every term here, the product is formed. Then we pick this term b, and then the product is formed. And then we pick this term c, and the product is now formed. So in the general case, say now, suppose we are asked to say multiply out say this term such as this, a plus b, say x plus y, and then we'll have say c plus d. I have to multiply this out now. What we'll do is, maybe we just can do a plus b, and then we'll multiply out these guys here. The way to do that, you pick one x, you find the partial product, so x can combine with c to get cx, x can combine with d to get cd, dx. Excuse. So s can combine with d to get dx, and then y can combine with c to get y. We pick one term here and combine with this term here, so we get cy plus dy. And then when we are done with this, the next step we do is to still the same thing. We pick out a term here, and that term have to combine with at least one term from this bracket. So we can pick out A combining with Cx. Now we may pick out B to see combine with Dx. We may do it in any order. We may see pick out A to combine with Dx. Just that the rule is that a term here has to be picked out to combine with a term here. So A combine with dy. So then here B can combine with cy. And then B can combine with dy. I think B has combined with Cx. No. So B can combine with Cx. So B has combined with Cx, dx, and then cy and dy. And A has combined with Cx, dx, and A has combined with cy. No. A has not combined with cy. And then A has combined with dy. No. So A has not combined with, okay, A has combined with dy here. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The reason why we have a total of 8 terms is that here we have a total of 2 terms. We have a total of 2 terms. We have a total of 2 terms. So the number of terms we are going to have when we form the product is 2 times 2 times 2. Reason being that here we pick 2 terms. We are dealing with 2 terms, and each of these 2 terms have to combine with the 2 terms here. So we'll get a total of 4 terms. So for example, this 2 term here, it's this term and this term here, they combine with each other. So we will get a total of 4 terms because we have 2 terms combining with 2 terms. So for each term here, there are 2 choices. This guy can combine with either x or y, and then this guy here can combine with either y or d. So we have a total of 4 choices for combination. So that means we get 4 terms here. Next, this 4 terms, each of them can combine with any term here. So for each of them here, we have 2 choices. Each of them here have 2 choices. So we have a total of, since there are 4, we have 4 times 2 choices in total, which is 4 times 2, which is 8. 8 choices. So that is why, for the same reason, here we'll be having 4 terms, 2 by 2, because each term here has to combine with a term here. So each term has 2 choices for combination. Here, each term here has 3 choices. So it can combine with x, combine with y, or combine with z. So this guy has 3 choices. So for each term we have 3 choices. So we have a total of 3 times 3 choices, or maybe 3 plus 3 plus 3. This guy has 3 choices. This guy has 3 choices. This guy has 3 choices. So it's 3 times 3 choices. So we have a total of 9 terms here. So the general theory of distribution here, if we have, say, a minus b, then we are going to multiply with a plus, no, not a, let's not concern the case whereby with the 10 repeats. Let's say we're going to multiply with x plus y plus z. Then we should get a total of 6 terms, because for a has 2 choices. No, a has 3 choices. X, a can combine with x, a can combine with y, and a can combine with z. B has 3 choices. B can combine with x, B can combine with y, and then B can combine with z. So it will have a total of 3 choices here, plus 3 choices for B, making a total of 6 choices in total. So what the purpose of this video is to learn about distribution. It may look like a simple concept, but we're actually stepping further to go into what they call binomial theorem in maths. So binomial theorem. But this distribution is going to help us understand the concept in a more general way. So in the next video, we're going to look at a general case of distribution where instead of A, B, C, we have a general term. This one is just a bit of example. So thank you for watching. See you in the next channel. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like the content I deliver. Have a nice day.